Today we're going to show you how we recommend cleaning the hearing aids. We recommend cleaning your hearing aids every morning after they've had a chance to dry out overnight. So anything that's on the hearing aid is easier to remove after it's been dried out and it's a little more flaky or anything like that. So you can feel free to use a tissue, especially one that has is a little more generic, not as high quality because it's a little rougher and doesn't leave any lotion or any residue on the hearing aid. You can use that to clean the tip if you have any wax or anything on there you want to remove first. And then you're going to take your brush. At every fitting we give patients a cleaning tool that has a brush on one end and a little pick at the other end. I typically do not recommend using the pick unless there is something large that's easy to kind of pick out of the hearing aid. I usually tend to recommend just using this brush tool. So we're going to clean off the tip, the piece that goes in the ear canal, and you're going to use your brush, and don't be afraid to really brush firmly. You're really going to focus on the end, and that's where the sound comes out. So if there's any wax that's blocking up that hole, you're not going to hear anything out of the hearing aid. So you're going to brush that off. And then we're also going to brush off the back of the hearing aid. So the back of the hearing aid is where the microphones are. There are two little slits on the other side of the button. And the whole back. So when in doubt, just brush the whole back of the hearing aid off. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to brush vigorously. You really don't have to worry about being gentle. Just the whole thing. Get those cleaned out because dust and debris can kind of settle in the microphones and cause a more muffled sound quality. This is always what I recommend. And then that's it. You've cleaned your hearing aid.